on a more serious note, in just 24 hours, I'm going to be creating a Shopify dropshipping business and see how much money I can make in just 24 hours. So I'll first be finding a product to sell, then I'll build the online store using Shopify, then I'll create advertisements and market the product, and I'm going to be walking you guys through the entire process. I've never done this before. I've never created a store in just 24 hours, so this is as new to me as it is to you. And for those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, I'm just going to try to explain it to you in 10 seconds. So basically, you use an app to create an online store, and a lot of people use the app Shopify, including myself. And basically, you need products to sell on the store, and those products you get from a wholesaler called AliExpress. So products on AliExpress are really cheap. That way you can put the product on your store and sell it for a lot more. So for example, you can get a product on AliExpress for $5 and then sell it on your store for $20. And to actually get people to come on your store and buy the products, you do need to create advertisements. So you can use Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok to advertise your product. So once someone goes on your store and let's say they buy a product, they're going to put all their information in. And so once they put all their information in, you're going to go on AliExpress and actually buy the product on there, but put in their information. That way the product is being sent out to them. So basically you're just the middleman. You don't see or touch the product. And so let's say you bought the product on AliExpress for $5 and then you sold it for $20 on your store. You just made a $15 profit. So we're gonna get right into the video and we're gonna see how this turns out and how much money I can make dropshipping in just 24 hours. So the first thing I need to do is find a successful product that I can sell that people will buy. And a good product is one that usually is in demand, can't easily be found in stores, has that wow factor, and also solves a problem. So what most people do to find a winning product is basically scroll through Instagram or Facebook and they look for products that are already being sold, that are being marketed like crazy. And so when you find products like that, you know people are buying.
Because why would someone spend so much on advertising if they weren't making money?
But for me, instead of scrolling through Facebook and Instagram, I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna actually use TikTok to find the product.
Kids, breakfast is ready. Breakfast not ready.
So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go on TikTok and find a product. I'm back! So I found the product. I'm honestly so surprised with the product. I think it has the potential to do extremely well. So how I found the product was I searched up the hashtag Amazon finds, Amazon picks, must have, girly products, skincare, and after doing all that, I found this one product that all the girls are freaking out about. So basically it's like a little baby facial steamer or whatever, and it basically helps with like clogged pores or if you have like acne or dry skin. So first we can agree it has like a wow factor because it's so cute and small, and like you press a button and then the steam like starts to come out. Also, you can't just go to Walmart and like find that product chilling on the shelf. At least that's what I think, so I think that's also a plus. Also, it does seem to be in demand according to TikTok. Also, the best part is it's only $3.87 on AliExpress, and all over Amazon and other places, it's about $19.99.
You know what though, I'm feeling generous, I'm gonna be a nice person, and I decided that I'm going to sell the product on my store for $15.99, not $19.99, so these people are getting a pretty good deal if you ask me.
So now that I'm finished with the product, I have to create the online store. So I'm gonna use Shopify to create the online store, and as much as I wanna show you guys how to do it, it's gonna take way too long, so I'm gonna make a separate video on how to build the store, so stay tuned for that. Also, I wanted to mention that Oberlo has been so helpful with all my dropshipping businesses. So basically, Oberlo can help you find products to sell in your store that are in demand, and you can also add the products directly to your store from AliExpress in just a few seconds, which is really convenient. So in the description, I linked the Oberlo site. I'm back.
Alright guys, so I just finished the store and I honestly think it looks pretty good.
No.
No!
But we're gonna go through it right now, and I want you guys to give me a grade from 1 to 10, letting me know what you think of the store in the comment section. So here we are on the front page here, and at the top we have the Keep It Peachy logo. It's honestly decent, like it's nothing special, it's not nothing over the top, but it is what it is. We have a picture of our girl Kylie here, and I'll be honest, I put Kylie because, you know, whenever she hops on a trend, so do the other girls, so I decided that, you know, it'd be smart to put her there. And then we have that little, you know, keep your skin peachy. Scroll down, we can see the product. It's the Keep It Peachy Mini Facial Steamer. And we have some high quality images here as well. And then if you go down here, you can just click on full details. That way you can go to the product page. So we're now on the product page, and if you scroll down again, you have the pictures. And we can see here the product is on sale, and that makes people, you know, want to buy it more. Also, we can see here that the sale ends in like 1 hour. So if someone sees this, they're going to automatically want to buy it now rather than have to wait later, which is good for us. Also, we have the classic buy more, save more. So if we have customers buy more, we're making more money. They're also saving more money. So it's a win-win for everyone. And then if you go down here, we have the description of the product. And then we also have customer reviews. That's the store, that's it. It's pretty basic. But I know that whenever I clutter my store, it usually doesn't look as good. So I think that this is, you know, fine. So I found the product, I got the store done. Now the next step is to actually market the product. So most people like to use Facebook or Instagram to market their products, especially Facebook if you want to scale. However, because we only have 24 hours, I won't be using Facebook. So what I decided is, because I found the product on TikTok, why not try using TikTok to advertise the product? So I kind of know how TikTok works, I know how the algorithm works, and for those of you who don't know, I kind of am TikTok famous. So I was thinking, like,
I could just post it on my TikTok page.
but if I was to do that, obviously, I probably wouldn't get anyone to buy it because I talk about finance and business, and this is like a girl steamer product, so I need to find someone in that niche. I actually did this step in the beginning because I know people tend to take a long time to answer and we don't really have that time. So after reaching out to 9 people, I only have 2 people who replied so far, so I'm gonna have to work with those 2 people. So there's this one page where they post like girly things and memes, and the person is selling shoutouts for $100, but I told them that I only need to post up for like 22 hours. So we decided that $60 would be reasonable. And looking through the TikTok, on average, each post has like 80,000 views. And so if we can at least get like 30,000 views, because it's only gonna be up for like 22 hours, then I think that this will honestly be enough to make a decent amount of money. So let me show you guys the advertisement that she's gonna post on her TikTok page.
I'm about to change your life, and if you're a skincare junkie like me, you're gonna wanna buy this right away. This little guy is a mini portable facial steamer, and it comes with a little charger so you don't need batteries. And watch this. There are many benefits to facial steaming. It helps unclog your pores so you can get a better cleanse. It also is really great for people with dry skin because this provides a lot of hydration, and it also helps your skin absorb skincare products easier.
So we started this challenge today at 5:30 p.m. and so we have till tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. and that will be a full 24 hours. So basically I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. and we'll see how much money we make in just 24 hours.
Hi.
Alright guys, so the 24-hour challenge is officially done, but I'll be honest with you guys, I was supposed to show you guys the results 24 hours after we finished, but I ended up getting busy with some things and then I ended up postponing it. So here we are now, a couple days later. I'm going to show you guys the results right now. I also got the TikToker to send me a picture of the analytics, and as you guys can see here, we got over 16,000 views and over 2,000 likes. So I would say the TikTok did perform pretty well for just 24 hours. So we ended up making over $300 in sales.
But
That isn't actually all profit. So I'm gonna run some numbers and see what the profit is. So the first expense is $60, which we pay the TikTok influencer. Second expense is $14 for the Shopify domain. Also, Shopify and PayPal take a 2.9 processing fee and 30 cents per order, and that ended up coming to $14. And the next expense is actually the product cost. So I got the product on AliExpress for $3.87, and I sold the product for $15.99. So after calculating that, it came to $71.44. So in total, the profit was $144.37. This is honestly extremely good, especially because I only used TikTok. For any beginners wondering how to start dropshipping, or basically if you just need some guidance on where to start or how to build a store just like this, stay tuned. I'll be posting more tutorials on how you guys can start.